Welcome to how to remove one photo from Instagram multiple photos. So in this video we are going to show you how to remove one photo from Instagram multiple photos. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're going to need to do here, you will just simply go into your Instagram app and then you will open up your profile and then you will open up that post which contains multiple photos. So here you can see that I have here these three photos. Okay, so to remove one photo from multiple photos, you need to have more than two photos. Okay, so in this way that will work. Okay, so you will tap on these three dots here and then you will tap on edit here, and now here you can see basically that we have this delete icon here. Okay, so let's suppose that if I wanted to remove this picture, I will just simply tap on delete and this picture will be deleted from this post. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.